Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to take a look at math operators in Java programming. First we have to import the scanner. To do that I put import java.util.scanner. Okay, and after we import we had to introduce a class. No, there's a mistake. Okay, no mistake. We had to introduce a class. Let's say public class and let's name it as apples. And here the class name should match the name you created the file. Here I already have apples.java, so that's why I put apples as a class. Okay, now the next thing is we have to put the main function public static void main, and inside the parentheses we put string args and a square bracket. Okay, now inside of this we are going to put the scanner. I put my name Taliban. You can put your any name. Taliban new scanner and system.in and I'm going to introduce integer type of variable. Let's put girls, boys and people. Let's say girls are 6, girls is equal to 6 and boys is equal to 3, and then people is equal to girls over boys. Now we put the system output, system.out print line, and I put people. Okay, there are 4 different methods. We can put addition, multiplication, division and subtraction. Now here we have division, girls divided by boys. Girls are 6, boys are 3. So 6 divided by 3, that should give us 2. Now let's go ahead and run this one. Okay, there's a mistake here. Let's see what is that. Syntax error. Okay, here I have a syntax error. Public class apples. Let's see what is that. And here also I have a error. Class body insert, syntax error, insert. Okay, I had to close this semicolon. I didn't put another curly bracket, so I put that one here, and there's another error showing here. Syntax error token. Okay, let me see what is that. Public static void main, and I have to start a curly bracket right here. Okay, now let's go ahead and run this one. Okay, now it's showing us 2. Now this is division, and we can do the multiplication. 6 times 3, that should give us 18, and 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9, and 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay, so these are the math operators, and also we can do the reminder. Like if you remember, reminder is basically when you divide 6 divided by 3, you will get 2, but the reminder is the value that's remaining. For if you divide 6 by 3, there's no value remaining, so that should give us 0. And for example, let's say if we have 10 divided by 3, we know that 9 divided by 3 there's no reminder, but 10 divided by 3 we have 1 left, so 1 should show up. Here 1 is showing up, and same as that, if you put like 17 divided by 3, 2 are left after we dividing by 3, so you can see 2 is left. Those are the basic math operators you can do. And also if you want to print this one in double, like for example, if you want to divide 17 divided by 3, and if you keep this one as integer, you are going to get 5, right? But if you want to know the decimal answer, like the real correct answer, you have to put double, so you can get the fraction answers, 5.6667, and that's how we do that. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to access these codes, it's in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description. And also, if you are trying to learn Java programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.